Hello, I'm Vlad with iForels. In this video, we'll discuss the Gantt chart, why US enterprise lose at least 11,000 per employee every year and how to fix it. Let's go. I was a solo founder and CEO of an IT outsourcing company in Ukraine for 14 years. I've seen firsthand how enterprises can spend millions of dollars on custom software development their teams don't even use. Today, we'll figure out how to fix it, and at the end of this video, I'll share 5 tips on how easily your business could stop losing time and money. Now, let's get into the topic in hand. Why do enterprises in the US lose so much money? According to a recent report by US Department of Labor, the average cost per employee for enterprises in the US is $100,000 per year. Of this, at least 11% is wasted on inefficient project management, resulting in loss of at least $11,000 per employee every single year. This amounts to a total loss of over $200 billion annually for US enterprises. This is a significant loss, and it's important for enterprises to find ways to avoid it. There is good news. With the right tools such as Gantt Chart, a business can easily avoid these pitfalls. In fact, a recent study found that using Gantt Chart can increase productivity by up to 15%, resulting in significant cost savings for enterprise and revenue, of course. Specifically, by using tools like Gantt Chart, enterprises can save an average of $11,000 per employee every year. It can make a massive difference for enterprises looking to improve their bottom line. So, what is the Gantt chart? A Gantt chart is a visual representation of project's timeline, showing the start and end date of each task and how they relate to each other. This allows project managers to see quickly if project is on track, identify potential bottlenecks, and make any necessary adjustments if needed. It is a crucial tool for any project manager looking to increase efficiency and save time and resources. But as Harry Gantt, the inventor of Gantt chart, said, the only way to make a success of a job is to love what you are doing. So, what are the best Gantt chart tools available? And is it worth to write a custom software to make it work properly? Working in the IT outsourcing industry since 2008, I truly do believe that the best you can do is use tools like iForels with the built-in Gantt chart view. It offers a simple, intuitive interface and allows users to generate customizable Gantt charts in just a few minutes. There's no need to spend $500,000 buying at least 5 months of headache with custom software development when it's possible to make things done with the zero-code platforms, like in minutes. In fact, according to a recent survey, over 80% of enterprises that switched to zero-code apps reported significant business growth. In the case of iForels, AI technology can generate tailored Gantt chart with the custom fields and automation in seconds based on the text that anyone, even non-technical person, can write in simple human words. This makes it incredibly powerful and user-friendly tool for anyone looking to improve their project management. The demonstration of app generation with AI will appear on the screen at the end of this video. And now, let's get to the 5 tips on how to avoid losing $11,000 per employee every year. First, use Gantt chart to visualize your project timeline and identify potential bottlenecks. 2. Consider switching to user-friendly tools you can improve in seconds without development time. That is critical. Take advantage of iForels AI or similar technology to generate tailored Gantt charts with the custom fields and automation. Engage your team and communicate effectively to ensure everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. And 5, regularly review and adjust your Gantt chart to ensure your project stays on track and within budget. By following these tips, you can avoid the pitfalls that lead to a loss of $11,000 per employee every single year. You can significantly grow your financial results. We are actively working on interviews with founders and CEOs from Silicon Valley and worldwide. Please subscribe to our channel to keep in touch and take advantage of tons of valuable information unlocking rapid growth for your business. Also, if you know exciting leaders who build successful companies in tech, please let me know in the comments. We'll keep in touch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in the following video. Thank you. Bye-bye.